Hello everyone, welcome back to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. This one, I'm going to show you how to work with path operators and basically how to combine shapes, merge shapes, exclude shapes, things like that. Things if you use Photoshop, you're very familiar with. Let me just go and show you what I mean. You go to Photoshop and you've got like your shape tool here selected. I've got a puppy dog shape tool selected. If you go up to the top, you'll see path operations when I hover over it. But when I drop it down, you'll see that you can do things like combining shapes, subtracting shapes, etc., etc. You can do that inside Adobe After Effects as well if you want to create complex shapes, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's roll and get right on here. So first thing first, I want to create a new composition depending on what version of After Effects you're in. Just go ahead and click New Composition. If you don't see that, you can always just go Composition New or File New. Well, it's not there anymore, but whatever. Composition, there we go. First thing. Second thing, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a shape layer. So I'm going to select the rectangle tool and I'm just going to draw a rectangle and fill it with red. Very cool. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this down and create an ellipse. And boom. It's going to be filled with red as well. And oops, click too far, sorry. And I'll center that in the middle and something like that. Now I want to basically take the ellipse and subtract it from this shape. So basically I'm kind of creating like the Japan flag. So I've gone ahead and rearranged the rectangle and the ellipse because the stacking order does matter. Anyways, following along with me, rectangle on top, ellipse on the bottom. I'm going to go to add, and this is the part that matters. I'm going to go add merge paths. Now when you do that, nothing happened. Don't panic. The reason why is because the mode is automatically set to add. That's not what we want. We want to do a subtraction in this instance, so I'm going to switch it to subtract. And bang, you're going to see that I've got the rectangle, I've got the ellipse below it, and then by using merge paths or the path operator merge paths, I've subtracted out the circle. Now, you will notice that if you move the position of merge paths to say in between the rectangle and the ellipse, you know, oh geez, what did I just do? Hang on. Sorry, my bad. You moved it up, I put it in there. So I want to move it in between. Nothing happens. Maybe if I switch it to merge, nothing happens. What if I do add? Nothing happens. Okay. Maybe if I move the rectangle below, let's see what that does. If I go switch it to subtract, nope. Intersect, nope. Merge, nope. Nothing happens. And the reason why is stacking order, guys. The stacking order really matters. So I'm going to move it to the bottom again, and I'm going to switch it to subtract. And there you go. We've gone ahead and done that. Now, if you want to make an addition, so if you have like let's say you have a circle and you want to add something on top of it, you can go ahead and do that. All of these things work inside Adobe After Effects, very similar to how they work inside Illustrator and Photoshop like I showed you. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. I've got a lot more stuff coming out and I'll be back soon. Cheers.